Listen closely to the gentle whispers of strength carried by the sea breeze. Nature's song promises harmony in our shared home. Their steps echo the wisdom of our connection with nature. Yet, amidst the cityscape, shadows reveal the delicate balance of progress. Floodwaters leave behind signs of sadness and strength. Hope rises from the fire's ashes, strong and steady. Each drop from melting glaciers mourns a changing world. In the dry land, the wind calls for renewal. Voices cry out for help, longing for unity and safety. The forest's sadness is lost in the noise of machines. Even in tough times, people remain strong. The earth needs help with too much waste and harm. Protecting nature keeps us safe. Our system needs a reset with Youth Break the Boundaries and Istanbul Youth Summit.